Hello everyone, welcome back to AP TV. Today we're diving into one of the most significant elements of the U.S. Constitution, the Bill of Rights. These first 10 amendments guarantee our fundamental freedoms, but our exploration doesn't stop there. We'll also examine how later amendments expanded and refined these rights, shaping the freedoms we enjoy today. After the U.S. Constitution was drafted in 1787, there was widespread concern among many states. They feared it granted too much power to the federal government and lacked sufficient protection for individual rights. In response, anti-federalists pushed for a list of guaranteed freedoms to shield citizens from government overreach. The Bill of Rights establishes essential protections that limit the power of the federal government. Let's delve into some of its key amendments. The First Amendment protects 5 essential freedoms: religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. The Second Amendment safeguards the right to bear arms, allowing citizens to own and use firearms for self-defense and other lawful purposes. The Fourth Amendment guards against unreasonable searches and seizures, requiring law enforcement to obtain a warrant based on probable cause before conducting searches. The Fifth Amendment offers several protections for those accused of crimes, including the right against self-incrimination, protection from double jeopardy, and the guarantee of due process. Each of these amendments, along with others in the Bill of Rights, provides fundamental protections, setting clear boundaries for government authority and ensuring personal freedoms. The Bill of Rights has profoundly impacted American law and society. It safeguards freedoms like expression and fair trials that we often take for granted. Moreover, these amendments guide the courts in protecting individual rights and preventing government overreach. While the Bill of Rights laid the foundation for American liberties, later amendments expanded and refined these rights. Here are a few significant amendments that followed. The 13th Amendment abolished slavery in 1865, making it illegal to own or enslave others. The 14th Amendment established that all people born or naturalized in the U.S. are citizens and are entitled to equal protection under the law, significantly expanding civil rights protections. The 15th Amendment guaranteed voting rights regardless of race, color, or previous condition of servitude, marking a crucial step in the fight for racial equality. The 19th Amendment granted women the right to vote in 1920, extending voting rights to half of the population and advancing gender equality. The 26th Amendment lowered the voting age from 21 to 18 in 1971, empowering more young people to participate in elections and have a voice in government decisions. These amendments reflect America's commitment to expanding freedoms and addressing issues of equality and justice as society evolves. The Bill of Rights and later amendments demonstrate that the Constitution is a living document capable of adapting to societal changes. Through amendments, our Constitution has evolved to ensure that more Americans have their rights protected. In summary, the Bill of Rights established a foundation of freedoms that has shaped American democracy. Later amendments have built on this foundation, ensuring that individual rights are protected and expanded for future generations. Understanding the Bill of Rights and the amendments that followed helps us appreciate the protections we have today and underscores the importance of preserving them. Thanks for watching, and remember that knowing your rights is key to being an engaged citizen.